Alright, we're recording. Kimchi. Target practice. With the muzzle loader. Take this shit out. All I seen was flames and smoke. And that paper way down yonder on that tree right there is where he was shooting for. That's too dark. I should have did that.
Look, there's still smoke.
Yeah, it's still smoking down through there in the holler.
You gonna shoot it? You want me to shoot
Huh? I'm good. I'm not gonna shoot mine.
You're not?
No, I just pushed the powder and shit out of it. Did you hit it? You gonna walk up there and look? Well, we're done muzzle loading for today. Got my bucket to put on. You got about a 75-yard walk. We're getting ready to head in. I don't know why my camera keeps going in now for. Look. Give me a little scenery route. We're up on top of the mountain now. Oh, that sucks. Camera keeps going in and out. Piece of shit. Tap the screen and it'll focus. Why is it going off? I don't know. Fuck it. I'm sober. That's the fucking problem. And we're trucking down that road over there somewhere. And it's going in and out. Fuck it. I'm turning it off. Pissing me off. I need a drink. Right after the walk and my camera kept going out of focus. Let me see. Damn, you did hit that son of a bitch. What was that, about 80 yards?
Yeah.
Mr. Deer Hunter.
Now if I just see a damn deer.
Yeah, now we can see something. Yeah, it keep going out of focus. It's too far as to what it is.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get to the truck. It's cold.